Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about Energet, jet volumetric remodeling for scars and rejuvenation. This is the comparison of various technologies available for scars and rejuvenation. So there are multiple modalities like microneedling radiofrequency, HIFU, fractional radiofrequency, ablative and non-ablative lasers, and new kid on the block, which is JVR technology. So this is a video demonstration that how this blast injury works in the dermis itself. So it has an entry point from one small pore inside the skin and creates a blast trauma inside the dermis, and it reaches the deeper part of the skin as well. Let's have a look on one of the patients I have treated. On right side, I use meso solution diluted with normal saline, and on the left side, I use cross-linked hyaluronic acid to see the comparison of results in both the sides. So this is how you do the procedure. First of all, topical anesthesia is applied on the surface of the skin under occlusion 45 minutes to an hour before the procedure. You can see there is a very small red dot which is an entry point from the pore of the skin, from where the product is going inside the skin with the speed of jet and creates a blast-like trauma inside the dermis, which is visible as a bleb on the surface of the skin. So usually, like the swelling and the redness after the procedure, it stays for a day or two, and there is no major downtime after the procedure. So these are the results of meso solution side. You can see the results after 3 sessions, and there is reduction and the improvement in the scars you can see. And this is the cross-linked hyaluronic acid, which shows much better results as compared to the other side, which is treated with meso solution. This is after first session, after second session, and you can see the scars over here, they are almost disappearing. And the same patient after third session, and there is remarkable change, and the results were so gratifying. And there you can also see the skin is much more stretched, firmer and smoother after the treatment. With this, I thank you very much for your valuable time.